Are you confused on how to make your own roll-ons? Let's make this Almond Joy roll-on so that you can feel uplifted as you go about your day. Because with this roll-on, you'll go from feeling down in the dumps to uplifted and ready to take on the day. Hi there, my name is Summer Whitnaven, certified aromatherapist who loves teaching you how to use your essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing and get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. From your Simply Earth monthly recipe box, you will need Anastar and Fit essential oils, along with your recipe card and your stickers. And then from your big bonus box, you will need fractionated coconut oil and your roll-on. So you'll need 2 drops of Fit essential oil, followed by 1 drop of Anastar. This recipe has a dilution rate of 3%. I'm gonna fill it the rest of the way up with fractionated coconut oil. Want to replace that lid, scroll it on tight, and then give it a shake. Now let's sticker your creation. Look at this, beautiful. You can make this. I love this because it smells just like those almond Dutch pastries. Now I love to see your creation, so make sure you take lots of photos and tag From Simply Earth using hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it so easy to make natural products. Go make it.